Yeah, when I was younger, I worked with Legos. I had buckets and buckets of Legos that I would take and build various things with them. It was one of my interests. I had this room set up where I had just all kinds of different structures I would build up, and then I would have all my different Lego guys interacting together, and I would just imagine this whole world going on and as if it was real life. So I work on the hyperspectral imaging here at NASA Glenn, and we use an imager that we built in-house to look at the algae in the lake. So when we fly over collecting data, it used to take us several passes to look at the algae. So I worked on a system that optimized our configuration to improve our field of view, to reduce the number of passes that we take to fly over the lake. So we had this old instrument, and I took it apart and I broke down what each component did for that system, and I looked at what was commercially available to see how we could upgrade that system. So we had a lens that we brought in with a larger field of view, and then I bought a new camera with a 4 times the pixels, and then the various configuration of the optical components inside, I reorganized it in a way that was more efficient. I'm Roger Tokars. I grew up in South Bend, Indiana, and ever since a young age I was always asking questions. When anybody was doing stuff in front of me, I was wondering how it worked or what was going on. So it never hurts to be inquisitive.